Welcome everybody to codezing.org. This video is going to walk you through how to install Python using the Anaconda installation. So if you started installing Python, just the standard library, I would heavily recommend using the Anaconda installation because it comes with free libraries that are in addition to Python and the Spider IDE, which is what codezing.org uses for all of its programming tutorials. So to do that, you can head over to codezing.org/Python, or just navigate over to the main website, codezing.org. Click on Get Python. A little bit of additional info. You can read about Python, you can read about Anaconda if you'd like. At the bottom are the links to download. If you do just want the standard library, you can watch the other video, which has a little bit more detail, or follow the link to get to python.org. To download Python via Anaconda, you can click on the link and it brings you to the installation page. If you want, you can navigate around and read more about Anaconda, but to just install the free version, you can go down and find your operating system. If you're using an Apple computer, a Mac, then you want to install the Mac version. If you're using Windows, obviously install the Windows version. When you click on the link, it does a really good job of just showing you, all of the steps of the installer, and it'll walk you through step by step, and even makes recommendations. Since we're just starting, you want to do kind of the simplest installation, whatever they recommend. Follow the recommended steps. But you click on download the installer, and you'll see that it will download an executable file. We want version 3.7, unless you know that you want Python 2. All of our examples are coded in Python 3. So you want the latest Python 3.7 version. You can click download. You don't need the cheat sheets. I think you can just close that. Yeah. Sorry, that was a little new for me on running through this. I think they just want to send you update emails and stuff. If you want to sign up for that, you can. But if you just want the download, you can click the executable file will run, and it'll walk you through all the steps here if you go back to the walkthrough. So it'll show you all the screens. You can mostly just click next to them all. The defaults are already set. I would point out this one-step install VS Code is totally up to you. I use the Spider IDE for all of the coding examples. If you want to try Microsoft VS Code, which is another IDE, which is just software that makes it easier to write and read and find errors in your code while you're doing the code. Feel free to try that out if you want to do it. But it also comes with Spider, and Spider is what we use. Once you get it installed, you'll see in your start file now you'll have Anaconda installed, and under Anaconda you'll see Spider, and Spider is what I use for all the examples. So if you run into any trouble, you can email info@codezing.org. We'll try to respond to help you get it installed. You can add comments to the video if you're having struggles, and we can try to sort you out. But it should be super simple. I've never had anybody run into any trouble doing the installations. So once you get it installed, head to level 1 and start clicking through the videos, and you can jump right into programming. So have fun.